Hi. When you try to create a quiz in Moodle, what basically happens is you will end up adding a lot of questions to a particular quiz. And as a beginner or as a tutor, you would basically end up doing the same thing time and again. So it's going to be a tedious task. Say for example, I'm looking at a preview of the quiz that I've created, and here you can see that each and every quiz, it's the same thing that the students are trying to do. They just need to, divide the given number by 2. So every question looks like, it's going to a new page, and if at all if you have to add anything. Then you will have to keep on repeating the same exercise every time. Say for example, I have added 15 questions, so I had to repeat the same task 15 times. And the way we do it is, so add it for the first time, select the type of quiz, and then keep do the changes and then repeat it again and again. So there is a way to solve this out wherein you can basically just create, say, any number of questions on a particular page, and then you can just try to give it in this format. So let's just compare. So this is, if I just go to the preview, 15 questions, 15 pages, and here it is just 3 pages and 30 questions. So how to do this? Let's have a look. So how to do this? How to do this? Let's have a look. So I'm in a section wherein I'm editing a quiz. So I click on Add, choose a new question, and you choose Embedded Answers, Cloze. Cloze, and click on Add. You will have to give a question name. Say for example, add the following. And now there is a format in which you have to give your questions. So let me just quickly explain the format. So you can give a serial number. And let's say I'm trying to achieve an addition here. Let's say 40 plus 45 is equal to, that's the question. And you just need to open the flower brackets. And the number that you're going to give is the number that you wish to allot for a correct answer. And numerical is the type of the question. So we are trying to sort out our numerical, we were trying to create a numerical quiz, so it is a numerical value. So the correct answer, I'm just trying to see the, I'm not going to give it make it a multiple choice question. So I'm just going to have just one answer. So you just can straight away put in the answer here, and then it becomes 85. And then you close it. The same thing if we keep on repeating. Let's just do this. So I'm going to change the serial number. Let's say we're going to try 50 plus 60. So 50 plus 60 is equal to, put in your answer here. And that's going to be 110. And you're going to allot 1 mark for correct answer. So, and it's a numerical value, so that's a 110. So likewise, I'm going to create another one. Let's say 150 plus 25. So open the bracket, one mark I'm going to allot. It has to be in caps, the words. Please stick to the format, or else you may not get it right. So I've just added 3 questions for this example. And let's see the next step. And also ensure that you select the right category, which is more important. So once you do this, you have to decode and verify the question text, and you shouldn't be getting any error once you do this. So let's just see, we just have to wait. So I think it's been decoded. So you get the questions in this particular format. You really don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just click here and then see if your answers are right. If you need to change it, you can change it. That's the only thing you have to do. Change it, not here, but you have to go back and change it. But otherwise, this is just the syntax, so you really need not have to do anything here. So you've given 3 questions, and all the 3 questions are being validated, decoded, and their syntax checked. So once you do this, just save the change. And here you go. If you've got 3 questions added in a particular page. So let's quickly look at the preview. I'm going to go to the page number 4, and you get to see that 3 questions have been added here. This is the way you make use of the embedded quiz, which is called a Cloze. Thank you. Thanks for watching.